We will be playing my all new game called Nicecity Mall. There's a link in the description. Here's the mall. Pretty cool. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Inside of here, there's the fire alarm control panel. There's a lot of exits. Okay, let's get to testing. Let's pull this one. Oh yeah, this is the emergency shutdown button. Wrong one. Wrong one, we reset it. Let's go up the escalator. There's only two. There's a heat detector. There's only one heat detector and a smoke detector in this building. There's a heat detector below, like over there. There's a smoke detector in the shop. Let's test the smoke detector. Let me climb up on these shelves. Turn down your volume. Oh. I cannot test the heat detector. I don't have any source of testing that heat detector up there.
Attention, an emergency has been reported. Please proceed to the stairwell nearest you, exit the building, and proceed to your designated meeting.
Now let's test the pull stations. Let's test the other pull stations. There is 4 pull stations in this building. There's one next to the main exit door. On the ceiling there is EST Genesis speaker strobes. Pull down. Alright, let's go to the elevator.
Attention, an emergency has been reported. Please proceed to the stairwell nearest you, exit the building, and proceed to your designated meeting area outside of your building. Attention, an emergency has been reported. Please proceed to the stairwell nearest you, exit the building, and proceed to your designated meeting area outside of your building.
Let's test the pull station up here. Let's test the
Attention,
pull
an
station.
emergency has been reported. Please proceed to the stairwell nearest you, exit the building, and proceed to your designated meeting area outside of your building.
go down the exit door.
Attention, an emergency has been...
Alright, that's it for this game. There might be updates. See ya in the next one.